อันนี้กำลังต้องไม่ไปกับเขาสวยยำเราดังหน้าอายุกันยังไม่ดังเขาอันนี้กันที่ให้
Ring appointment service confirmation and award Mahilu ka may heart Yan ay kung tayo pamangkin May buhay na ba hinusin ang hulawo? British ไม่มาคำหวังดีเข้าด้วยtình thiênกันเน่กันไกกันเน่ให้เป้าม่วงเข้าด้วยดีกุ้งประได้เข้าtình thiênกันเน่กันไกกันเน่ให้เป้าม่วงเข้าด้วยดีกุ้งประได้เข้าGood kagaw bam di he Bangla khang swang ka tin ka gang ka ne Hai pau ni hin fire One fire Get them down Dam ka te Nam hai cao Cao ka te thao tho Good di khali quan tiêu na chẳng trái lâu mày khâu chẳng trái lâu mày khâuจะบนจันนาเวรุยท่านบ่ไม่ให้เป้านังดวงตาดอจังใจละวะอัลลอฮ์จะบนจันนาเวตานังบ้านเขาด้วยจะเลี้ยงลงกันดีจนจำและจำนาลุงค่าจงไปได้เท่านั้นพอจำก้าวบังนี้เท กำหวังดีเขาดี Kamay aning we asan may bang ni kampato aning di kan ai bao ra toàn năng ai bay ra đi gai đi liu phai cam suy na cam buồn đi kho he dễ lên lo buồn thôi dễ lên Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ Sana puna solay ning tan-an yung lababay kwan sini Ano ko'y akala na te aning di akala Ay patay kay lumbang sini Yang lumbang may way Ano yung katsukat na anyong ikan ribukan pato Sana puna solay ning tan-an yung lababay kwan sini Ano ko'y akala
On this day, we stood up for our dear cause and vowed to put light on that someday soon we shall overcome to see the dawn of freedom in our way. With much patience and tolerance, we have resurfaced the cause of the Jelangong People Convention and reviewed the issue to the talk fairly with the government of India. We have rendered our all comforts of sweet home, our personal gain, interest, and all for the sake of attaining the common aspirations of our people. Now the Jelangong political issues are being tabled for final settlement that is acceptable and pragmatic in the contemporary society and politics. The fifth round of talk has been held with the government of India in the name of Jelangong State Working Committee, and the progress has been gaining ground close to final done. I reiterate and remind our people of our magnanimous heart of forgiveness of the past wrongs, and to those who betray the cause of Jelangong, not by willful intention but of circumstantial compulsion. In the name of God, we have declared our general pardon and offered our love
Ay patay kay lumbang sini Yang lumbang may way Anyong lukatsun na anyong biglang ripukan bato Sana puna solay ning tan-an yung lababay kwan sini Anyong ko'y akad na de anyong di akad de Ay patay kay lumbang sini Yang lumbang may way Anyong lukatsun na anyong biglang ripukan bato Sana puna solay ning tan-an yung lababay kwan sini Anyong ko'y akad na de anyong di akad de Ay patay kay lumbang sini Yang lumbang may way Anyong lukatsun na anyong biglang ripukan bato ส่วนในดินกันแผ่นดินและบายบายคนสิดีอันนี้มีอาคือนาเด
We have already traveled and covered the long journey of struggle. Now we are almost home. May this day be always remembered with hope that the path to freedom has been laid open again with the rising of our united front as defenders, keepers, and makers of our homeland. เจริญรุ่งเรืองเจริญรุ่งโพธิ์